Hello, you guys. It is a beautiful day to be alive. Guess where I am? The Home Depot parking lot. I feel like I am always here, and I don't know why this is so dark. Okay, hopefully it's a little bit better. But I feel like I'm always here. I have to go in and get more paint because we closed on our house 6 days ago. So I'm so excited. This vlog is going to be basically all about our new house. So we closed 6 days ago and we have made so much progress so far. Okay, now it's a lot better. It's a lot lighter now. So I don't know what just happened to my camera, but we have made so much progress. So basically we bought a fixer-upper and all of the floors needed to come up and be redone. So we have been like tearing all this stuff up. So after, I can't decide if I'm going to go to the gym or go to the house and show you guys a little tour while nobody's there working. So I don't know. I feel like I'll probably go to the house and not the gym because I'm just giving myself a little break because I have been so exhausted and so drained from doing all this because we have been eating, breathing, sleeping this house and working on it because we want to get into the house and move in by the 21st, and you guys will understand when I go show you. Like, there are no floors or anything, so fingers crossed that's still the plan. Like, my boyfriend can basically do like all the house renovations, and my dad is great at that stuff too, so we really lucked out so we don't have to pay like professionals to do that. But anyway, welcome to my channel. I never said hello, and welcome to my channel. My name's Kali.alexandria. Happy to have you here. If you're not subscribed, subscribe because I post Wednesdays and Sundays. So I will say my uploading schedule lately has been so hectic. I have only been uploading on Sundays, just once a week, especially during this season of my life and this time. Whenever we get settled into the house, I'll be less busy, thankfully. So I'm gonna go back to uploading on Wednesdays as well. But right now it's just Sundays, so I'm so sorry about that. It has been a struggle over here. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get this vlog going and started. I cannot wait to show you guys the house. I'll probably end up giving you guys like a full like empty house tour when everything is done. So stay tuned for that, but I'll kind of show you guys a little bit and what's going on. So yeah, that's that, but I gotta go to Home Depot, get new paint, and I will talk to you guys in a bit. Guys, here we are. It is a construction site. I was not kidding. So this is just a little bit of an overview. So we have to redo the subflooring because the previous owner's like dishwasher completely like wrecked this part. So yeah, literally we have holes in the floors, but I'm so happy to have my white kitchen. That is like the part I'm most excited for. But here's a little overview of the dining and living room, and then you walk in here and we have the laundry room. And yeah, I'm painting everything like this color gray. I absolutely love it. Yeah, this is all gonna be torn out. So basically all the floors in the entire house are gonna be torn out. We haven't even started on the basement yet because we're gonna move in. We're gonna finish the first floor and then move in, and then this is gonna be the project over winter. So that's that. But we have a nice little backyard I'm so excited for. We power washed the deck yesterday, and then I'm gonna start painting it in a couple days. But you just come over here and it's so dark. Sorry about that. I did not turn on any lights. And we have the first bedroom. So this is actually gonna be our office. We haven't even started painting this, so we still have a ways to go with that. But I'm so happy because we did finish painting like all of the like upstairs, like the living room and everything. But this is the guest bathroom. I love it. We don't have to make any changes in here really, so that's always so nice. And then this is the master. So this is why I went to Home Depot. I had to get more paint. So we only have this one window, so I thought we're gonna do a pure white color for the bedroom. Obviously I need a second coat just to make it like more open and airy because we only have that one window. And then over here is the master bath. So we're basically gonna get a whole new vanity, tear out this floor, and maybe a new shower. So that hasn't even started yet. So we have our work cut out for us, that's for sure. And then we have a closet. Again, I'm gonna be doing like a whole empty house tour for you guys whenever everything is kind of finished. I'm not even gonna take you guys downstairs because that's just like a crazy mess and we haven't torn out the floors yet, but that's what it looks like so far. I'm so excited. My tripod, love that. But I just love the stone and the fireplace, and I'm just so excited to get this done and move in. But here's a little house tour. A lot of you always ask what I do for work and how I'm able to make a full-time income online. So I wanted to share with you guys how to become a social media manager. So that's kind of what I started off doing. So the first thing is start as a side hustle. So if you guys are working like a corporate job or any type of job, do freelancing or social media management just on the side for now so you're not stressed, and then you can work your way up after that. The next thing that you want to do is build testimonials. So you can either work for free or very cheap just to start building that social proof. The next thing that's the best thing to do is build your own website. You can build it from Squarespace or Wix for a super low monthly cost, and that just makes you look very professional and outlines your services. And the last thing, just stick with it and just be consistent and start building that social proof. Not all the clients you have are going to be good ones, but then you'll meet some of the most amazing people, so you can do it. It is literally so dark this morning. It's almost 8 o'clock and it looks like it should be like sunset.
Yep.
Hello you guys. So looking a little rough today, but I thought I would come on here and end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it and getting a little bit of an inside scoop on the house and what my life has currently been looking like for the past week. So yeah, I'm just about to head to the house again and keep working and do that and trying to find the motivation because it is a lot. It is stressful and overwhelming at times, but super exciting, and I'm really grateful. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you liked it and want to see more home content, please give me a like and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.